So James, what are we drilling today?
High biomass cover crop. It's going into oats next year.
Oats, and what crop was it this year?
This was wheat that's been chopped yesterday.
And what issue are you having with the straw?
Well, as you can see, there's a lot of it. I didn't think it was too wet when it was combined, but it's just odd places where we've got a lot of straw.
And why did you call the boss out?
I've got my exhaust pipes, as I call it, for the drill. I've got one, the most awkward one, right in the drill. The little Jubilee clips keep coming off, so Sky, you've got to improve these because they're right pain.
There we go. Alright, and so we're going out to have a check on the depth, the seed depth. It's going to be a bit tricky in here, but we'll have a scratch around and see what we can find. So, where have you found anything?
We just, I've got some vetch, just a little round, you can see there, little round seed.
There we go, little round seed.
Just over a centimetre deep. A bit difficult because you end up, if you go too deep, you end up deep on these bits where you haven't got much chaff, and then if you look there, then we've got too much and we end up skimming over the top of it, so I think we've just got to have a bit of a compromise. Hopefully it will be nice and green in a few weeks, so yeah.
We're planting more vetch this afternoon. Funny looking seed. So we've got 6 millimeters of rain projected for today. We can't do any cultivations, we've just had to stop everything except for the mole ploughing, but we still managed to keep the sky going. Here we're putting in mustard and vetch cover crop before a late wheat. So fingers crossed.